Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file to a Microsoft Word file. It is very easy to convert PDF file to Microsoft Word file through the method which I'm going to show you. So let's start. So what you need to do, open the website pdfonline.com. So this is the link. You click on this PDF online, then this page will be opened. So what you need to do here, you need to make sure this PDF to Word tab is active. Then here you can see upload a file to convert. Select upload a file to convert and then it will give you the option to select the file. Now select the PDF file and then click on open. It is going to take a minute or so. Now it is showing you the file which you have uploaded. Now what you need to do, click on this download option. Then it will start processing and then you need to click on this download Word file. Once you will click on this download Word file, it will start converting file to Word document. So here you can see this PDF is converted to Word. Click on this. So now you can see your PDF document has been converted to Word document. You can see it is editable and then you can save this Word document. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.